Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok birthday. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've typed in a wrong birthday information on your TikTok while signing up for it and you'd like to fix that now, then here's how to do it. Tap Open TikTok application and make sure that you're logged into your account first. Once you're logged in, from the main homepage of TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. From the profile page of TikTok, tap on the hamburger menu located at the top right hand corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy from the pop-up. And now, from the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down until you find the Support option. Tap Report a Problem from the Support category. And now, from this page, scroll all the way down, tap on Editing Profile, and from the subcategory, tap Other. Tap on Need More Help from this page. And now, enter your problem into the text box. You can type in, "I have entered a wrong birthday information while signing up for TikTok, so help me correct it please." Something like that. And now, if you have anything that you can provide to the TikTok support team that clarifies that you have entered the wrong birthday information, you can simply tap on the image icon to upload an image, or you can also provide a media clip. Finally, tap on Report appearing at the bottom. And now, you'll need to wait for quite some time in order to receive a reply from TikTok support. That was how you can easily fix your birthday information that has been typed in wrong on your TikTok app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.